Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandeep Basim from Kerwell Medical Center. Today I'll show you what are the basic steps in hair transplantation, and I'll take up one very important question. And that question is, how long does the result of hair transplant last? So friends, now we see that FUE hair transplantation is a very common mode of hair transplantation, and more people want FUE hair transplantation. Because there is no stitch, there is no scar, and the recovery is faster, the post-operative pain is less. So that is why more patients are wanting to go for FUE hair transplantation. So let's see what are the advantages of how do we do FUE hair transplant and what are some of its advantages. So if you're decided for hair transplantation, like this is one patient and you can see its picture of this patient before transplantation. We have decided to do 4,000 grafts in this patient. And this is the area, we have marked the area
from the donor area
in which we'll be implanting the hairs.
To remove the grafts.
And now we are taking the grafts from the back from the donor area. We have given tumescent, we are using this burr to remove the grafts.
The blade.
And now
This is
we are
how
coming
we
to
keep
make
the
holes
for implanting these here.
in the front where we want to implant the hair. We can use the needle or the blade.
And now we're starting implanting these here.
This is how we are making
using
the holes for
forceps.
implanting
No
these
pressure.
hair.
Now this is how
And now
end the whole transplanted area would look. This is a picture that we get. So this is roughly how we do a hair transplantation brief, the process of hair transplantation by FUE. Now let me come to a very important question now. How long would the results of this patient last? So first I must tell you that for the results to come, it takes 3 months, 4 months, sometimes 5 and 6 months also for the result to come. And then a full result may come on 7 months and 8 months. So anywhere from 4 months to 7 months or 8 months, the result keeps coming. The hair keeps coming back. After we transplant, there's a period when the hair are shed. They go into telogen phase and they shed, and then again they come back into anagen phase, and then they start growing. When the hair start growing, actively, we start getting the result, and this takes a lag of 4 to 5 months and sometimes 6 months also. Once the hair start growing, it's very important. What we have to understand that the result of the transplanted hair can change with time. Number one, the normal native hair, which we have not transplanted, they will continue to be shed the way your hair was shed initially before transplantation. Second, after transplantation, with time, it is quite possible that the transplanted hair that we have transplanted may also become thinner, and we may lose them also. So this was an old concept that transplanted hair are not lost, but this is not true now. We know transplanted hair can be shed. It can vary from 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. They can be shed. We can lose them also. So what is very important? Remember, hair transplantation does not stop hair fall. This is one line I keep telling all my patients. I keep repeating again and again. So what we need to do after transplantation? After transplantation, continue with minoxidil, with ADHD blocker, with supplements, avoid smoking, take care of your hair, take care of your lifestyle, sleep adequately, because you may lose hair even after hair transplantation. Maybe after 3 years, 4 years, they will become thinner, you will lose them, and then you will become very upset, or you will start complaining, I am losing my hair, the transplantation results are not lasting as long as I wanted. But this is true, friends. The results of transplantation keep becoming less as the time if we are not taking proper medicines, we are not following a good lifestyle, and then we can lose hair. Thank you, friends. I am Dr. Sandeep from Kerwell Medical Center.